Sora 2 is blowing people's minds, and in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can get your hands on it if you are outside of the US or Canada, because at the moment, they're the only two places that you can get it. Now, to get Sora 2, you're going to need to get yourself a code, and you're going to need to get yourself access. So the easiest way to get yourself a code in order to get entry is to come over to Discord, go to the OpenAI channel. You will need to go through verification, and once you've gone through verification, come down to Sora 2, and you'll see that there's loads and loads of people asking for codes and getting codes. Now, don't pay for them, whatever you do, just ignore those messages. Codes will pop up, and this is one of the easiest places it's going to be for you to be able to find a code. Now, when you have a code, you're probably wondering how you can get access outside of the US and Canada, and the easiest way for you to do that is actually just to use a VPN. So get yourself a good decent VPN. A lot of them have a trial that you can take advantage of. I'll leave some suggestions down in the description. Get yourself a VPN, set it to Canada or set it to the States, and then you will be able to get access. Hopefully this helps you get onto Sora 2 soon. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.